37 years after independence, we've got provinces called Mashonaland, Manikaland. Why can't we call them Eastern Province, Southern Provinces, and so forth? Nationalism is founded and fueled by tribalism. So this is why I say we are having these challenges in the body politics of Zimbabwean politics in its entirety. It's not a preserve of the opposition alone, because ZANU-PF has not resolved the national question, and ZANU-PF has pursued a policy of unequal and uneven development. If you move in Harare right now, there's life. People are selling things and so forth. If you go to Bulawayo, with great respect, it's like a dead city, because ZANU-PF deliberately allowed all those industries to die. If you go to Kwekwe is a ghost town, because ZANU-PF deliberately allowed those things to die. If you wanted development, we must take Mugabe to go and stay in Bulawayo. You will see the change that will happen. So that is the problem. That is the problem. How is it that 37 years after independence, if you want a birth certificate from Beitbridge, you have to come to Harare. If you want a passport from Beitbridge, you have to come to Harare. That's too much. It can't happen. So we are saying as PDP, because ZANU-PF has allowed these exclusions to take place. When people have grievances now, instead of understanding that these grievances are caused by exclusion, they then say, no, it's that tribe, and it's that. It's not. It's a system that has failed, a system of predation, a